Next, let's see what we have here. Oh, mama. Ooh, you see that? This is the sister or daughter. And oh, this is that. Oh, carrot. Oh, you can see carrot. Yeah. Oh, carrot. Yeah. Again, let's see two carrots. And that's zoom. Oh. Oh. Yeah, this is the mother. This is the sister. And this is the, you say, gardening. 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 One more time. Gardening. Yeah, this is the gardening, yeah. And if your house has a small garden, yeah, sometimes you can grow food like carrot, cabbage in the garden, and sometimes you can come to the garden and pull the carrot. Okay. Yeah, you say gardening. Gardening. Yeah, this is the gardening. Now let's come to the next one is ooh. Ooh. Up. Now let's zoom. Oh. Wow, you know this is the one kind of the game? Huh? Yeah, you say chess. Chess. One more time. Chess. Chess. Yeah, you know this is the game of the chess. And to play this game, you have a board of the chess. And you can call your friends and playing chess. And you can call your friends to play chess again. And playing chess is really good for your brains and really good for your thinking. Yeah, you say chess, chess. One more time, chess. Yeah, this is the chess. Next, let's see. Ooh. Oh. 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 Yeah, what's this? You say football. Football. One more time. Football. Yeah, this is the football. And this is really popular game. And because a lot of the people really love playing football. And to play football, you need to have a ball. And you need to wear shoes and socks that can help you to run faster. And kick the ball harder. Yeah, you say football. Football. Football.